Hi friends, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and today's video's topic is actually how to fix the problem of reuse content issue. Everyone is telling about how to fix the issue, but they are not explaining the reason and what they need to do to rectify the problem. I have watched a couple of videos on YouTube that they are showing the same pattern, same thing they are not talking about. Those are applying new Adsense or new monetization application, and if they got rejected, what they do, how to rectify the issue, and that's very bad. So I'm thinking I'm going to show you what actually you need to take care of and what you need to change or replace. And also I mentioned in my previous videos, if you drop or delete your videos, so what will happen with your watch hours and what will happen with your views. But I will revise again in this video that you will see and understand and choose the option before you are going to reapply for reused content application. So I will show you a couple of videos and also show you the videos how they have created, how they were set it up, that you can follow and get help to get your channel monetization or to get your channel monetized. The thing is, we need to follow some policies, the Google AdSense policies or YouTube monetization policies, and there they have mentioned a couple of things which I'm going to point it out. So let's get started. The first point, how do they review your channel? So they have already mentioned this section in YouTube helps, and it is saying what we check when we review your channel. So our reviewers check content that best represents your channel against our policies. Since our reviewers can't check every video, they may focus on your channels, such as main theme, most viewed videos, new videos, biggest proportion of watch time, video metadata. What is in metadata? It is included in title, thumbnails and descriptions. So as well as they also check, and they already mentioned the above are just examples of content that our reviewers may assess. Please note that our reviewers can and may check other parts of channel to see whether it fully meets our policies. So the thing is already mentioned, the community guidelines are mentioned, the AdSense program policies are mentioned, the quality principles for children's and family contents are mentioned, and now it is left creator responsibility. So once you will follow me, you will see where you need to do what and how. As you can see my videos, I will show you my videos and I will show you what are actually in there, how I set it up. some of them I will show you obviously, then the rest you can visit my channel Era24 UK and see on this YouTube channel. There are a couple of videos and there how we are going to decorate our description, or to set it up our descriptions, how we need to set our hashtags, what we need to put extra paragraphs because it should reflect to your video, what type of video you are creating, you are going to explain. And no one is talking about this, and none of the YouTubers I've seen, they are talking about what you need to do or you're going to reapply. They are just saying okay, you need to reapply and this and that, and then what you have done because you have reused their content. But if you didn't reuse anyone's content, so it is very strange thing, and it's very hard to understand where you are doing wrong, because you are creating your efforts, you are putting your own content, and even though if there is any mistake, so this should be pointed and this should be explained what you need to do and how you can rectify this problem. So in my today's video I'm going to show you this thing which you need to follow and try to edit. If you have any kind of problem or you see any kind of issue, please you can leave me a comment and contact me. I will be glad to help you, because this is my reason of this video, to support you, because everyone is trying to get their channel monetized and they are facing a different kind of problem and they are not getting through with this application process. So I show you now the first video. Once you will go in a video section, details, on this pencil, click on it. So first thing you see your video details and title. After that you will see description. In description you have to write the right content related to your video. Next you just go down and you can see, you can put some links of other videos of yours, and you can put any nice thumbnail if you have got any nice thumbnail, and then you have to put some tags. If you didn't put any tags, you can add some tags, and after that you just need to select a couple of things. If this video is standard YouTube license, then select this, and then if you want someone to allow the comments, you can allow, and you need to check the music, what type of music you are going to select for as a background music for your video. Because if this is copyrighted, or if this is you have used multiple time, then you might get problem, and then your channel again will not be accepted for monetization. So keep in mind that don't use the same music, don't use the same images, don't use the same videos, even though if it is yours or anyone else. Apart of that, yeah, then you just have to create your own and then just upload. I bet you that you succeed. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching my channel and good luck.